Alrighty guys, what is going up? Welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I really want to talk about the top 6 stocks I am going to be buying in 2021. Now, a lot of these stocks, guys, are probably stocks that you haven't heard of. You know, they're not really talked about really heavily among Wall Street, which is amazing because you can get in on some undervalued points for these stocks. And a lot of these stocks are definitely companies that are in some of the top growing sectors, in my opinion, for the next 2 to 3 years. I really think there's so much growth behind them. So the very first one is CrowdStrike Holdings. Now, the reason why I like this one is because this is a cloud security stock. And what that means, it's pretty much like computer security. So where do you think computers are going? Do you think we're going to get more and more reliable and dependent on computers? Or do you think they're going to disappear tomorrow? Ask yourself that question. Now, me personally, I think that we are just getting started with computers and technology, and people like their security, especially online. And look at this stock chart. Beautiful upward trend. Really some resistance here at around $251, which is awesome because look at this. It's sold off down to $225. Very hard support here at around $205. So now, even if you hop into this stock right now and set your stops below it, you're risking literally $25 to make another $25. And this is just a short-term possibility. Imagine what the long-term has for this stock here. Another one I want to talk about is KR. Now, this one is Kroger. This is a very, very popular stock. Now, the reason why I like this is because they have access to, I believe it's some sort of tech so they can expand and get more data and capabilities while reducing their costs. So that's what a lot of people love about Kroger. Not to mention you get a dividend, and Warren Buffett just put billions of dollars into Kroger. So if you guys are a active investor, you understand that Warren Buffett is a very, very smart investor. And the reason why I honestly like Kroger too is because it's not really volatile. Yeah, it has highs here at 37, more highs here at 42, but overall the lows is $30. So it doesn't fluctuate that much, which is very, very nice because you can count on compounding your money with the dividends coming in. So they are getting into a lot of new tech so they can reduce their costs, which is fantastic. Now, the third stock here that I want to talk about is probably one of the more riskier ones on the list. It's ticker symbol DLVHF. Now, this is Delivery Hero. So this is a South Korean online food delivery leader. And so very, very similar to like a DoorDash, a Grubhub, Uber Eats. This is what this company focuses on, is food delivery. And me personally, I think that we definitely still have a lot of potential there. You guys can see it does have some resistance here at 170, support here at around this 200 moving average line. Like I said, though, this one is a little more risky than, a lot of these other stocks here, in my opinion, but a lot of potential here. Now, with the stock being, around $131, you guys can see it definitely sold off. So you would not be buying on an overvalued point for the stock, which is fantastic. So you're getting a very, very strong buy for the stock. Now, the fourth one here I want to talk about is ticker symbol TWLO. Now, this one here is one that has beautiful growth. It's really kept its pace with its turnaround despite the chaos among the lockdowns. So you guys can see it has a beautiful upward trend. Really, some resistance here at these highs, but look at this. You're not buying on an overvalued point for this stock here. I really believe this one here too carries a lot of long-term potential. You guys can see it had lows here at $187. Beautiful upward trend, no real signs of major sell-off, and their fundamentals are probably one of the strongest on this chart, which is fantastic here. Now, the fifth one here that I want to talk about is ticker symbol SGEN here. Now, this is a antibody drug company that is working on new cancer medication. So with that being said, look at this. You guys can see it does have some very strong support at around the $143 mark. And as we continue to sell off, this would be a good opportunity to hop in. Not to mention, you can pretty much time this stock really, really easily, looking at support, the 140, resistance, 200. So pretty much you could hop into this right now, risk $10 or so to possibly make 50. That's a pretty good risk and reward. And obviously with this being said, I really believe that we are getting started with the cancer research. I really think that with the growth of technology, I think companies like this will definitely benefit from that sort of sector too. Now, another one here that I want to talk about is SunPower. Okay, this is another one that is in the computer software and cybersecurity. So this is ticker symbol SPWR here. So look at the growth of this too. Very, very strong. Major resistance here at around 57 and support here technically on this 200 moving average line. But when the stock is below it, it does have a tendency to act as resistance. That's why we've hit it, and now we've hit it and we did get sell off. But I really believe once we get a break above it, I think the next major resistance is going to be 50. So definitely room from $38 to $50. And this is another company that is working with cybersecurity, cloud security, very similar to CrowdStrike, but a lot more affordable. I really think that all of these stocks, guys, carry so much long-term potential. And these are the top 6 stocks that I am going to be buying this year. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you got anything in value, hit the like button and subscribe. But we'll see you guys later. Take care. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe out there. Take care, everyone.